Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna be recording on my phone because it's gonna be a short video. It won't be that long. As you can see, my S14.5, it's painted blue, and this is not the blue that I wanted, but this is the blue that came out because the primer that I used was bad, and I didn't notice until I finished painting it. Like as you can see, the car looks like sandpaper. So as you can see, the paint, there's no stripes or nothing. The way it looks like that right here because of the light that's hitting it. But the paint is super smooth. And when I was ripping the tape off, I fucked it up here, a little bit over here, and on the other side. But this was my very first paint job. I have no runs, nothing at all. The only thing that's bad, as you can see, it's the paint looks like sandpaper. And there's no way I'm gonna be able to sand this down unless I sand that down completely and repaint it. But the blue that it was supposed to look like, it's hard to tell, but it's kind of like that, the blue in there. You know, it's a little glossy, shiny, smooth. But I use this primer. Let me show you guys. So I use this primer right here that you can buy out of parts store, and I used this before with my engine bay, and it came out really good. But I don't know what happened. It was just bad. This was left on the bottom, like this chunk. Every can had a chunk of this, and I tried mixing it, and it would not mix. And it just made the whole car look like greedy. But anyways, the car is painted. It doesn't look that bad. At least it's one color now. I'm like, it's growing on me. I'll pair it with white wheels, might look better, or different type of wheels. And once I put the headlights, everything might look way better. But today, the video is about taking the cat out. So this car has an Apexi, like full exhaust. So it has a muffler and it has a resonator. And what I'm gonna be doing today, it's taking the catalytic converter out because this car is super quiet. It's like I never had a car this quiet. All my cars are always loud, except my 350C that I sold. But I mean, I put an exhaust in that before when I sold it. But yeah, this car is super quiet. I'm gonna be taking that exhaust off, and I'm going to be putting a test pipe in. But let me give you guys a way, show you how it sounds right now. So I just got back yesterday from Ohio. I was at the shootout. If you guys don't know, it's a DSM Evo and GTR drag racing event. And I bought a new gauge because I had to take the gauge out of this car. I mean, out of my Miata to put it on this car. Close the door. So I had to take the gauge out of the Miata just to put in this car because the air fryer gauge wasn't working. But I have that in there now, so I can just put it back in and I'll use the new one on the Miata. I have another AEM one. This is like the 4th gauge I buy, and I keep having bad luck lately with them. They always work fine for a couple years, and I don't know why all my gauges are going out. Go ahead and start it. See if it starts first try. The car does vibrate like a motherfucker because I have solid motor mounts, and let me tell you, don't ever get solid motor mounts. It's horrible. Almost there. All right, so as you can tell, we're super quiet. I can barely hear it. Give it gas. Again. So it doesn't sound that bad, but I don't want to be a little louder because when the motor mounts are fucking vibrating me and vibrating everything in the car, you cannot hear shit. But I do like how the exhaust sound right now. I just want to be a little louder, maybe pop a little bit. So that's why I got the test pipe. Yes, I do have a mess in the garage. We just moved to this house and we've been throwing shit out, but you know, we only got 2 garbage cans. We had a huge dumpster because we remodeled the whole house, but they took it already and it was ready for it. But I have to clean the garage. I painted the floor and I ruined it when I painted the car because of the plastic came out. But this side, you can see that it's nice and painted, and this side is fucking fucked. And I have all my parts, so this shit that I bought, have not had time to clean yet. But yeah, maybe open the test pipe, show you guys, and put it on, see how it sounds. Alright guys, so I'm pretty fucking stupid right now. I feel so stupid. So as you can see, the car wasn't even loud, so I thought the cat was a full cat like it should be. But I guess they gutted the cat, and there's, you know, it's hollow through it. You can see through it. There's nothing at all. So I literally just wasted my time and money on this for no reason. I can return it, but I think I'm just gonna put it on because just so I can have a whole one stainless steel exhaust. But I'm kind of butthurt that I just took it off for no reason. It's whatever, I guess. I'm just gonna put it on. Pretty sure it's gonna sound exactly the same. It's just straight pipe. It was already straight pipe. So my guess is next thing I might do is just take the resonator out, which she has one over there if you can see it. So it has a resonator on it, and that's restricting a lot. So I might take that out eventually, but not now. I don't really have money or time to do this. So I'm just gonna put this back on, and I might clean my headlights because I painted the car. Everything in my garage got blue, even though I literally covered everything, but everything got blue. And I covered the whole thing down there. And my Silvia, my real Silvia headlights that are like 800 bucks, they got painted or like oversprayed. I mean, it's just barely, it's just a film on top of it, as you can see. Of overspray is blue, tinted blue. I have this headlight cleaner that I know it works really good. So I was gonna use it, which all you do is just sand down everything. And then they were really foggy, so I'm just gonna do that anyways, and it should look back to normal. But I'm just gonna put this on, start it, see if anything changes, but I'm pretty sure it will not. And then do that. Alright guys, so it actually sounds a little bit louder. Turn this off. This side. It sounds, on idle sounds already a little bit louder than it did before. Not like really loud, but barely anything. Wanna give gas, somebody? A little more? A little more? Again. Again. So it actually sounds really good. I don't know how loud it'll be on the inside, but I feel like that's a little bit louder than it did. I don't know if it's just me or what. I guess I'll see in the video. But now I have like an hour before my buddy gets out of work, so we can go to the gym. So I'm gonna start doing my headlights. Actually, I don't know if I'm gonna do that with the hydro. The hydro is more important than the headlights. So I might just do the hydro now. Actually, nah, that's too much work. I'm gonna do the headlights. Alright guys, so I already have one headlight sanded down. As you can see, it's just sanded down, wet sanded. I haven't done the buffing or polishing or nothing at all. It's just straight up wet sanding. And then on this one, it's still the same way that it was before. So you can see there's a big difference already. I don't like this one as much as the 3M because the 3M is a little better, in my opinion. You put on the drill and you have better movement to go with the drill. But this one, the only drill adapter that comes is the buffing pad, which is not bad. But I mean, so far so good. I only was here for like 5 minutes and I got to set it down. But so now I'm gonna hit it with I think this is 3000 grit and this is 1000. And then after that, hit it with the buffer and then the coating. But this is how it's looking way better already. Alright guys, so as you can see, headlights are done, and let me tell you, this kit actually worked really fucking good. I think it worked better than the 3M. So in my opinion now, I think this is better than the 3M one. It looks so freaking good and shiny. I cannot believe how good it turned out. Kinda sucks, the lighting is horrible here, but it turned out so good. I'm actually doing one of my lights on my truck right now because he has a lot of overspray. So I'm just gonna go hit it with just the shiner, just to have it shine a little bit. It looks super good. I have to let this dry. I can't touch it. It's just for 24 hours. So I'm gonna go leave it here, and probably tomorrow go and put it on the car. But yeah, this looks really fucking good. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I just got back from work and the headlights are done. I just put them on, and let me tell you, yes, I have a mess. I'm gonna literally clean this right after this clip. But let me tell you that it looks so good with the headlights on. I think I'm liking the color now. It looks kind of like purplish on camera. It's more of if you have a Harbor Freight toolbox, it's more of that color kind of. But as you can see, in my opinion, it looks pretty good. I have to really look at it once we go out and I take it out. But right now I'm just gonna clean the toolbox because it's a mess. I want to clean all the floor. I want to clean all this shit because I can barely walk in here. And by tomorrow, I'll work on the hydro because I want to get that done. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching the video. I know it wasn't that good of a video as I thought I was gonna be doing way more stuff, but unfortunately I didn't. The hydro, I have to figure that out, see if it's a pocket of air in the line or it's just the hydro that is bad. I guess I'll figure out once I put the eBay Master, which is right here. This is an eBay Master, so I don't know if this is gonna be good or not. So I'm gonna put this on and see how it works. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you want to watch more of this car, more of my Miata, which is out here, I literally just drive this car to the track, come back and just park it and never drive it again. I drove it like 2 weeks ago that I went to the track, and this has been here sitting since then. I actually just ordered coils for it. I'm gonna be making coils instead of wires. And I won on autocross. I got my little plate there. And if you want to watch more of this car, which is my beloved DSM, that hoping to make 500 horsepower. I mean, it's probably around 4 something. He needs to get a better fuel pump, and it should be retuned. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you want to watch more, make sure to click that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.